forget that you are singing for the audience, not for yourself. Although sumasayaw kayo, always make sure that your face is there. May iba na lang siya pag iikot tayo. Masakit yata. So just make sure na may eye contact kayo lagi sa audience. Okay na eh. Okay na tayo eh. Medyo back na to eh. Kailangan na lang talaga yung connection with the audience.
Okay.